Hi, welcome to Small Southern Lawns. My name is Andrew. Today we're going to be talking about sod plugs, why I use them, and how I'm planning on saving money in the future with a small project I created. Stay tuned. For those of you who don't know, I have 4 dogs and a very small backyard, just under 1,000 square feet. So that means that over time, no matter what I try, I'm going to end up with dead spots. I'm going to end up with torn up pieces of lawn, and the only way that I can come up to replace it and keep the lawn growing as fast as possible is with sod plugs. I do use or have Empire Zoysia in my backyard, which is a very strong grass and it will grow, but sometimes it's just not quite fast enough to try to keep up with the destruction that's going on. So without further ado, here's my project of sod plugs in the backyard. So, my yard has been transformed to Empire Zoysia this summer, thanks to COVID and lots of time. And the thing about Empire Zoysia is you cannot plant it by seed. It has to be sodded or plugged. So, with 4 dogs that like to destroy things, it became apparent to me very quickly that I was going to need to have sod plugs, or the Empire Zoysia plugs to put it in, or I was going to have to change it. I didn't want to change it because I really like the way it looks. So what we're doing is I ordered from Sod Solutions a pallet of 72 1.5 inch, I believe they were, sod plugs. I've already used about half the tray, filling in little spots in the yard. Hopefully most of them will take. And with the remaining ones, I decided to start my own little sod farm for replacements because dogs will destroy it. So we're planting with some Kellogg topper, all natural soil for the lawn. supposed to work for sod and seed and everything else. We just put that in these 3 little bins completely by itself, and hopefully everything takes. So we'll send updates as they come along. Hey, just wanted to thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more fall preparation videos. Take care.